Hi, I'm Ron Ogden. Today, how to get in the high building in Call of Duty 6 Modern Warfare 2 Highrise. Come with me as we get real high together. In altitude, that is.
There are 2 buildings in the Highrise map. Each one has a highest point you can climb. Keep in mind choosing a lightweight loadout will keep you from falling to your death. The highest point on the red building is one of the scaffolding on the outside. It can be reached by using the cranes on the side of the building. The highest point on the white building can be reached by using the fallen scaffolding on the left-hand side as a ladder. Following the ledge around the building to the other scaffolding that will lead you to the roof. As an added bonus, you can use the ladder setup in the red building as a jump point to the ceiling fixtures.
Remember kids, don't do drugs. They're bad for your brains. Kind of like bullets. I'm Ron Ogden. I'll see you next time.